I did look. I screenshot your
What's in
cash
your
app.
mouth? What's in your mouth?
My diamond girls.
You put the quarter in the machine. You got that out the machine.
These real.
Where you get them from?
Blueface Jiller. You heard of the rapper Blueface?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm friends with Blueface homeboy from his neck of the woods. He plugged me in with a jeweler.
Oh. How much they
And
cost?
some I have to spend shit. The homies got it from me in the industry. Showing them years of support and staying humble. They hooked the nigga up this year.
Oh. And it
And
cost them
plus
racks.
it
And it was for free, but it cost them racks.
pretty much. And plus they heard about what I was going through with my
And
ex and shit.
say they real.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Hmm. So on my cash app.
You need 50, correct?
What my $50 cash app from birthday?
When was your birthday?
The other day, why you ain't see my cash app that you told me to go see?
I screenshot your cash app.
You playing with me. You playing
I
with
really screenshot it. Uh, and I told you to follow me back. I hit you in the DM. And you follow Tim the Don, right?
me. Yep. That's my brother.
So you seen me on his live plenty of time.
I don't care about his
I go
life.
live.
You've been on my life for years now.
I know. You see this?
Oh Lord.
I like
Oh,
it. What? They hooked me up though.
he got liquor.
They
Y'all, my phone finna die. Oh, so they just doing it big for you.
Years of loyalty.
And
That's what.
everything was free.
Put it like this. They know me from Drusky Woods, Mario neck of the woods. And I went viral on the Shade Room, the real Shade Room this year. And I went viral on the Teen Shade Room back in 2019. Motherfuckers know me well.
Mm. Oh, what's your name?
Glock30k.
Ooh, shit, man. Glock, what you been doing? Besides getting free,
Um,
you got a job?
uh-uh.
So you just broke.
I've been doing a lot of side hustle. I blew my money off, but I got a side hustle today. I'm
You just
actually about
slow
to
shit. You just slow shit.
because do you understand they cut you off after you turn 18?
Damn. They don't give you no coin.
Actually, wait. No. That's in child support. No, um,
Where your daddy?
um, my dad died when I was a kid.
Oh, we sorry about it. We
It's
sorry about
like, wait. No, I used to have tons of jobs. It's like this: when you get a job
it. Mm-hmm.
and you get disability, you can't have a job and get disability. If you have a disability, you can't work at all. If you work a
Okay.
job,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
they did cut me off. I had jobs where I got fired like
Yeah.
at least a couple of months because I listen.
Oh, okay.
But
Well,
hey, I still get my paychecks at the job though. I got a
put
side hustle. I'll send you something. Shit.
put your grills back on the table in your jar. I'm finna my phone finna die, so you gonna have to take them back out.
Hey, wait, look. When are you coming to LA?
I don't want to see you. You might kidnap
When
me.
are you coming? When you coming to LA? Huh? Why you looking at me like one of those goddamn actors from a goddamn horror movie?
That shit, that damn froze.